Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. You watching my YouTube channel DS Craft, where you will see crafted DIY and waste material DIY, home decorated ideas, etc. videos only on my YouTube channel. So I had a bad box, wash condition is very bad, so let's do the DIY of this box today. So let's make together. So let's start. First of all, we have to cut the cardboard according to the box and then paint in it. Now we will paste the cardboard as per your requirement. Now it's ready from inside. Now we will prepare it from outside. Now we have to take a color A4 sheet and wrap it over the box and decorate with your according. And listen to me carefully. I have decorated to my liking. You can decorate anything to your choice. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And on which topic you want to next video, please tell me in the comment box. I hope you understand what I am saying. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.